another question which is completely from a different perspective. It is that how AI and analytics is helping enhance the employee experience in organization. So, any of my panelists, would you like to take this up?
There is a lot of work happening on, as I mentioned earlier, in terms of digitization and automation internally. So a lot of resource process automations have started, robotic process automations, RPAs have started internally in companies where they don't need to do mundane stuff. They need to focus more on the high value items per se. So especially on operation side, fraud, AML, anti-money laundering, a lot of those experience exception reports have started to build up. So rather than focusing on the entire Excel and identifying each and every case in that, so exceptions have been built basis the data which comes from multiple corners, and then churning that data, you only need to look at exceptions. So quality work rather than quantity is moving more towards quality of work, I think, and people are benefiting from this. So they need to focus only on 10 or 20 items rather than looking at the full list of the laundry list of things which are there. A lot of work on that has happened.
Absolutely. And I will just add a few things. I would say that there are specific functions, like, for example, finance function. And anybody who has an experience in finance would know the kind of pressure people go through at the month end, quarter end, or year end, because they will have to reconcile the data, prepare the statutory reports, the MIS reports, and there is a huge amount of work which comes in because of the manual processes which organizations have. And by the way, these people who work, they are very, very highly qualified. They'll be chartered accountants, and there will be a dissatisfaction if you are asking somebody who is very highly qualified to do an invoice reconciliation. Clearly, an invoice reconciliation can be done easily using an intelligent bot, or at least maybe 80% of that can be done, and the rest 20% can still be done by a human being. So that is one aspect of the regular work, which also spikes in, uh, and the effort can be kind of leveled using AI and analytics. The second area is on ability to find information about things, like, for example, what we have done internally, within PwC, is that we have created a chatbot which will be like, can answer any question about the organization. So if you just want to know what is the leave policy, you just type that question and it will give you. If you want to know what is the expense policy, it will give you, etc., etc. So you really do not have to search for answer. You don't have to go through voluminous pieces of document to get to that specific information. So that is a big help, because especially in these times when people are working from home, it's impossible for you to just tap the shoulder of your fellow colleague and ask a question. You are all by yourself. So how do you support people working from home with the same level of proficiency? And that's where an AI-enabled solution would significantly help. So I thought I'll give you a couple of these examples to add to the point.